Okay, in this video, I don't want to go into too much depth, but I'm going to show you a software that you kind of need to, if you're going to be creating your own designs, you probably should invest into a software like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. So my preference is Photoshop. So you can do this free trial, check it out. There's lots of YouTube content that's going to help you. But let me do a quick one. So you click on here, and the image needs to be these specifications. Okay, so 4,500 width of pixels, 5,400 pixels, and resolution needs to be 300. That's going to help with quality. Make sure it's around 300. So you go into the type tool. This will do the type: eats, sleep, merch, repeat. You can highlight stuff and change the colors, like so. You can change the font style with this. So you get the idea. So you just got to play around with it, just kind of master it and learn it, and you'll get the hang of it. It seems really difficult first, but you'll get used to it. And there's other alternatives available. Like I'll talk about a pre-made design service where you can just pay for designs ready-made for merch. So you get the idea. So once you've made your design, with some of the research that I've taught you, just save it as a PNG. Save as a PNG. Save. Actually, let's do that again. Save as something relevant. You got to keep organizing your spreadsheet. Save as a PNG. Eats, sleep, merch. Save as a PNG, and that's it. That's ready for sale. So you can go on YouTube. You can look at more of the advanced stuff, but that's just kind of the basics for now. So that's kind of how you make a design, and that's kind of ready for merch by Amazon. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.